Hi, this is Danielle, the domestic scientist, and today I'm super excited to be participating in the Under the Sea Tablescape collaboration. So let's get right into this place setting. The first thing I want to point out is this lovely blue and white placemat that I'm using. It has a faux denim / linen feel to it, so it makes it perfect for a beach inspired tablescape. The next thing I'm going to point out is this beautiful iridescent glass salad plate that I purchased from HomeGoods. This is one of those beautiful Turkish plates, and I'm going to just use it on top of my dinner plate. Now the thing about this plate is it's rather large and it's a little bit too big for the next items I'm going to add. So then I'm going to top it with this little appetizer plate / salad plate from Home Decor, and I recently picked this up at my local Tuesday morning. I do like the braided pattern on the ends, and I think it coincides nicely with this nice little turtle that I'm going to put on my place setting. And so there you have it. This is the first place setting in my coastal tablescape. So I want to talk to you about this one piece right here, which is probably my favorite piece on the table. It is a sphere made completely of shells that are glued, and it has a 360-degree coverage. It is so beautiful and it has so much dimension. It's one of my favorite coastal pieces, and I just placed this between two place settings at the end of my table. Okay, YouTube, this is where I need your help. I like Driftwood because I like the bleached out look, and I like the fact that each piece of wood is completely unique and is shaped by the elements, and so you can get these odd and quirky shapes, but they do make it very beautiful. One of the challenges though that I have is how to best decorate and display a piece like this because the shape is so unique. So typically I just lay it on its back like this and let the legs sit straight up in the air, but I just don't know if this is the best way to highlight the driftwood. So leave a comment in the box below if you have any suggestions as to how I can properly do this piece justice. For my centerpiece, I decided to play it safe and to use this large candle holder. I've used this in my It's a Summer Affair tablescape and also my Pucker Up Lemon tablescape, and both of those tablescape videos will be linked in the description box below. I did like the way it photographed, and I think it really added to the beach vibe that I was going for, and I wanted it to be very monochromatic. However, I just kept feeling like the table was a bit too washed out. Restraint can be a very difficult thing in decorating, but the color kept calling me and I caved in. So I replaced the centerpiece with this lovely blue and white temple jar that I purchased from HomeGoods earlier this year. I used this for my blue and white tablescape video, and I'll put a link in the description box below because that one is really a special video that you should definitely check out. So I decided to just use this instead because it gave me the blue that I felt like my table was missing in the middle, but it still retained that sandy beached out vibe that I was going for, and I think it complements the table very well, and also I think it photographed well. Leave a comment in the box below and let me know which centerpiece you like the most. I was really enjoying the way this table came together, and it inspired me to do some additional work in my living room. So because I went for more of a monochromatic look in the dining room, I decided to go ahead and carry that into the living room as well, and I'll have a link to that video in the description box if you're interested in seeing it. I had a lot of fun participating in this Under the Sea Tablescape collaboration. I like to have a nice coastal vibe. I think it's perfect for the summer. It makes me feel nice and relaxed. And since many of us aren't going to be able to travel to the beach this summer, I think it's a great idea to bring a little bit of the beach into our homes. I want to take a moment to thank our host for this collaboration. The host channels are If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, At Penny's Place, The New Family DIYs, and Renters Live Luxury by Aaron. I'll have a link to each of the host channels in my description box. Be sure to take a moment to check out each and every one of their channels because these ladies have done some exciting and amazing work. Additionally, there are a number of other people who participated in this collaboration, and you can check out their work by clicking on the playlist link in the description box. There are a lot of innovative tables out there, so please take the time to support these other participants. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment in the comment box below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. This is Danielle, the Domestic Scientist, and I'll see you next time.